Happy Prime Day, or really more like Prime Week now. Starting today, June 23rd through Friday, June 26th is the best time of year to buy anything on Amazon. I personally have a few things in my cart I've been waiting to pull the trigger on because I knew prices would drop this week. Whether you're a full-time traveler, like we're about to be starting next week, or just planning your next vacation, this is the best time to score deals on the travel gear you'll actually use. I've been to 51 countries so far and took 43 flights in 2025, so I've personally narrowed down the travel gear that's worth the space in your luggage. Today, I'm sharing the very best Prime Day deals for travelers, including products my husband and I personally use on every trip, along with the favorites we stock up on while prices are low. Welcome to World Wanderers.
We're Alicia and Will.
Come wander the world with us. Today, we're diving straight into Amazon's top Prime Day travel deals available right now. I've organized everything into categories so you can easily find what you need. You'll find all the links in the description below, plus I've put everything together in one spot on my Amazon storefront if you'd prefer to browse there. And just so you know, I do earn a small commission if you shop through my links, but it never costs you anything extra, and it helps me keep bringing you more travel tips and content. Let's kick things off with my favorite category, electronics. These are the gadgets that have made the biggest difference in the way we travel. I love this travel power strip. It basically lets you plug in a whole bunch of devices into one outlet. Sometimes hotel rooms or cruise ships especially only have a few outlets, and then I have all these devices I'm trying to charge at night at once, and this allows me to do it simultaneously. It's marketed as cruise safe, and we've never had it taken on a cruise ship, but I do hear that Royal Caribbean sometimes takes anything with multiple outlets on them now, so just check before you bring it on a cruise, or else they're going to take it from you and give it back to you at the end of the cruise.
Normally it's $18.99, today it's $16.14.
This is the best travel adapter we've found. It fits together like a puzzle, so you always have the plug you need no matter what country you're going to without it taking up tons of different space or you having to figure out which block you should bring with you.
It's a Prime Day deal for $8.79.
My husband and I both have this folding wireless charging dock. It's a fast charger and it charges your phone, your AirPods, or your watch all at the same time. Or I've also charged my Kindle on it or anything else that has wireless charging. It folds flat or it folds into a dock where you can basically see the device rotated any way you want it. So it's really convenient, great quality. We've had them for a few years now and they're awesome.
Right now it's $39.99, which is 20% off, about as cheap as it ever gets.
You're probably familiar with AirTags, but this is a good time to grab one if you need an extra one for another bag. I love that I can track exactly where my stuff is in the app, and I can see if my bag made a tight connection and then not have to worry the entire flight.
The 4-pack is on sale for $89, making them $22.25 each, or individually they're priced at $24 right now.
For entertainment, I highly recommend a Kindle if you like to read. I haven't read a physical book in years. This is really easy to read in the sunlight if you're at the pool or the beach. It's also waterproof. You can download books for free from your local libraries, and it's just a super lightweight. So instead of carrying 100 books, you have a device that's like this size. So I absolutely love my Kindle and recommend it.
It's currently $124.99, down from $159.99.
This magnetic tripod is great if you are doing any filming or want to take a selfie and don't have somebody there to take a picture for you. If you have a MagSafe device, like an Apple device, it'll automatically just stick to the tripod. No like clamps that you have to use, or even it comes with a magnet that you can just put on any device too, which will allow you to put your phone on it. So I love this device. It's super easy compared to some of the bigger, bulkier tripods, and it's pretty stable for how small it is.
It's a Prime Day deal for $24.22.
Next up is packing gear. These are the products that help us fit more in our bags while staying organized on every trip. This is the checked bag my husband uses. It's a really affordable price for trunk style luggage that also fits the max size that most airlines will accept for checked baggage. And it's held up really well. He's had it for about 2 years now and it still looks great.
It's currently $129.19, which is the cheapest I've ever seen it.
Compression packing cubes are a must for me. Basically, I like to keep all of my clothes separated into categories or by outfit into different packing cubes. And then the compression part allows you to actually cinch everything down and flatten the stuff. So it lets you fit more stuff in your suitcase while keeping things organized.
The price has steadily decreased to today's $7.99.
If you're like me and are always at that 50-pound max, a travel scale probably is going to be worth it. I like to know exactly where I am when I've bought things in a destination, so I'm not playing the game at the airport where I'm taking things out and putting it in my carry-on. I like to do that in the privacy of my hotel room where less people are there to judge me.
It's 26% off for Prime Day at $7.41.
Now let's talk toiletries. When I'm going on a trip that's less than 2 weeks, this is the toiletries bag I use. I love that it opens flat, it has good organization in it, and it's easy to wipe off.
It's 15% off today at $20.39.
If you wear makeup, I have totally switched to these makeup remover cloths, and I no longer use disposable ones. They get thrown in the wash with the rest of your laundry and look good as new, even after you've used them for like multiple days in a row. They don't require any makeup remover to take off even waterproof eyeliner or mascara, so they are awesome and they're gentle on your face.
A 12-pack is $5.09 today instead of $6.99.
I love these travel razors. They take up a lot less room than a traditional razor. They're very affordable and the heads are interchangeable, so you're not constantly buying a new razor.
It's $3 off for Prime Day at $9.99.
Bar shampoo and conditioner is a must if I am taking a trip for longer than a week. I have pretty long hair and I also wash it every single day, if not twice a day sometimes, depending on if I'm sweating or swimming. And it lasts me at least 30 days for each bar, and they take up a lot less space than the liquids. You also don't have to deal with TSA liquid rules, and it doesn't spill or burst in your suitcase. So it does take some time to find out which brands are going to be best for your hair, depending on what kind of hair you have. But I recommend a lot of different brands.
I'm restocking on this one for $7.99, this one for $7.99 as well, and then this conditioner only bar for $8.81.
Dry shampoo is something that always makes it into my bag. Sometimes I don't have time to wash my hair while traveling or if in between activities, and this is a nice refresher.
This one is particularly great for travel because it's a non-aerosol and comes with an applicator. It's currently 24% off.
I love this makeup brush holder for putting my makeup brushes in. It keeps it separate from my other toiletries, so if they still have makeup on them, it's not rubbing all over the rest of my stuff when my bag gets jumbled around.
It's $8.49 down from $9.99.
Health and hygiene might not be the most exciting category, but these are the items I'm always glad I packed when something unexpected comes up. This pill organizer is one of my favorite things in my bag. It comes with labels that you can just stick on like stickers for whatever you want to put in there. It has tons of options, and sometimes I switch them out based on what I'm bringing for the trip. But it's compact and you basically have a whole little medicine cabinet without having to bring 10 different bottles.
It's currently 20% off for Prime Day.
Burt's Bees lip balm is something I always stock up on when it goes on sale. I get chapped lips really easily, especially in the plains where the air is really dry, so I like to have one of these in each bag easily accessible.
It's currently $9.49 instead of $11.99.
Moving on to clothing. These are the pieces that have held up through countless flights, long travel days, and every climate we visited. Merino wool clothing is something that's really great for traveling. It's sweat wicking, so if it's hot out, you're not going to get super gross. And it also has antibacterial properties, so it doesn't smell if you've worn it for a few days straight. It also helps keep you warm in the winter. It's kind of just a miracle fabric.
This is my husband's go-to brand, which is on sale for $38.47 today.
These Seller sport socks are my favorite. I have literally had these for years and they still look brand new. They come in black, beige, and ankle varieties and higher varieties, but they're super cushioned, so I never get blisters no matter what sneakers I'm wearing with them. And I love them for travel and days where you're going to be walking a lot.
All three unisex styles my husband and I have are on sale today.
A belt bag is something I always bring on every trip. I feel like having it in front of you is just a lot safer from pickpockets to have things that are like important, like your passport, your wallet, your phone. So I always bring one, sometimes in a smaller size, sometimes in a larger size, depending on what I want to have with me all the time. But a belt bag is the best purse for travel, and it works for men and women.
This one with multiple compartments for 15.19 is the one I would buy on this Prime Day.
If your travels include beaches, pools, or snorkeling, this next category is for you. These are the items we pack for days on the water. I always recommend a dry bag. If you don't want things to get wet, like your wallet, your cell phone, your camera, then having a little bag like this that you can shove in a bigger bag or even just use as a beach bag is a great option. They come in a variety of sizes and colors and price points, but it's going to be good to protect your stuff that you don't want to get wet. We actually were on an excursion once where our boat sank when we went to go swim with whale sharks, or almost sank. We had to get in the water and they rescued us. But anyway, some people's phones got completely ruined and ours were good because they were in a dry bag.
This one for $9.58 is a great deal.
If you're going to be anywhere with loungers, I recommend towel bands. It's an easy way to save your chair if you're going to go get in the pool, and it also stops your towel from blowing away in the wind. They're better than the clips because they take up less room and also they don't get brittle and break over time.
This 4-pack on sale for $5.59 is the ones I would buy if I were getting it today.
My husband and I both travel with quick dry towels. It's nice to have a beach towel if you are going somewhere where they're not provided or you have to pay for them separately. And these also dry very quick. So they'll dry in the sun in about 30 minutes or in a few hours inside if you just hang it up on a hook. We love them because they don't take up a lot of space and they're still really large for you to lay on. It's also good if you need to use them for a shower in a room where you don't have a towel for some reason as well.
These are the ones we have. They come in a ton of different patterns and they range from 20 to 24 right now.
The Clean Ball is a really nifty little device. It's essentially like a mini lint roller that will roll around in the bottom of your bag and pick up things like sand. So one of my big gripes is that I hate having sand in my actual bag or purse, but I don't want to bring a whole separate beach bag all the time if I'm only going to be using it for a day or two. So I bring this little ball and it cleans out the bottom of my bag so that if I want to use it as a carry-on later or for anything else, it's not all sandy and gross. Then you just wash it in the sink and it's good as new.
It's currently $11.89 down from $13.99.
If you're going anywhere that requires sunscreen, I love bringing the sunscreen applicator. I fill it up at home and it's still less than the TSA 3-ounce rule, but it's enough for me to use for a whole trip normally. It has a sponge, so I don't actually have to use my hands to rub it in, which is really nice. And it also is self-contained, so I love this thing.
It's currently $12.78 instead of $15.98.
Now for the miscellaneous travel tools that don't really fit anywhere else but have saved us more times than I can count. Travel laundry detergent sheets are a must. Back in the day, liquid detergent would be terrible to travel with. Then Tide Pods came along and that was a little bit better, but they still get gummy and sometimes burst. But travel laundry detergent sheets are where it's at. You can have them in your bag for like 6 months and they'll be totally fine. They don't spill because it's essentially just a little piece of paper that you throw in the load and they are great.
These are the ones I use for single items in the sink, and then these are the ones I use for an entire load in the washing machine.
I always pack a collapsible hamper. I like to keep my dirty clothes contained to one part of the hotel room and not have to be searching for them at the end of a trip in drawers or whatever. It packs down super tiny so it doesn't take up a lot of room, and it also lets clothes air out while they're drying if they're wet and you're throwing them in the hamper. So I really like it.
It's currently on sale for $5.69 instead of $6.99.
I always bring at least one of these cosmetic storage bins, but I don't use them for cosmetics. I use it as a drop zone in a hotel room so that I always know where my keys, my sunglasses, my phone, my wallet are to grab on my way out the door. I also use one for my electronics when I want to organize my charging cords or my thumb drives or whatever on the desk next to my laptop.
It's down to $11.99 from $14.99.
If you're looking for the perfect water bottle, I found it to be the Iron Flask brand. They come in a variety of sizes, a variety of colors, but they are all great. It keeps ice in my bottle cold for at least 24 hours, and the bigger ones will last for 3 days, sometimes with ice in them. I love them, and they're great quality. I've been using the same ones over and over for like 5 years now, and they still look great.
It's currently 15% off.
These Gear Aid Hero clips are some of the most useful miscellaneous tools I've ever bought. They're a carabiner, but they also have a swivel hook on them, which means that they can get rested on any surface, even if it's only this wide. So like the top of a door or the top of a door jamb even. And then you can hang whatever on it. I like to keep things off the floor in my hotel room or cruise stateroom. So I'll hang bags on it or a towel that needs to dry if I don't have enough hooks, or a cosmetic bag even. You can do a lot with them and they're just really versatile.
At 44% off, these are the lowest prices I've ever seen for them.
I like to travel with this little sewing kit so that I can repair any clothes or bags that rip along the way. It comes with a needle, thread, thimble, whatever you need to make repairs.
It's currently $5.94, down from $6.99.
This little magnetic card holder is great. I like to put cards on the back of my phone in it or my hotel room key when I'm just running out for something quick. I also like it in a cruise stateroom because I can put it on the magnetic door and remember to take my room key with me when I leave.
It's currently $9.48 instead of $14.99.
I always bring some kind of game when we travel, whether that's cards or Uno or Phase 10, just something to do on a rainy day or if we meet people and want to do something together.
Uno's currently on sale for $9.99.
And finally, let's wrap up with my flight essentials. These are the products that make long travel days and overnight flights so much more comfortable. This is the travel blanket I've been using for years. It's super soft, it folds up into a pillow if you put it in its case, and it's not that big for how nice and comfy it is.
It's currently $16.99 instead of $19.99.
I always travel with a footrest hammock. I know this is a little controversial because some airlines allegedly you're not allowed to have them, but I've never gotten one taken away from me. I like that as somebody who's short with legs that don't really reach the floor, it's very comfortable to sleep if I can prop my legs up. Now, obviously, you put this over the tray table in front of you, so it's attached to the person's seat in front of you. So I'm always cognizant that I'm not rustling their seat around all the time, but I do find this makes a huge difference for me in whether or not I'm able to fall asleep.
It's $14.95, down from $21.98.
One of my super tips for falling asleep on a plane is taking ZzzQuil. Whether that's the liquid or the pills, this is something I always stock up on because I know I'm going to use it for each long plane ride.
The value pack is $19.54 instead of $22.99.
Those are my favorite Prime Day travel deals for this year. Remember, these discounts are only around through June 26th, and some of the best deals do sell out before the event is over. So you've had your eye on something, now is probably the time to grab it. I've linked everything I mentioned down in the description. If you end up picking up any of these products, let me know in the comments what you're most excited about. And if you found a great Prime Day deal that I missed, share it below so everyone can check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips, product recommendations, and destination guides every week. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe travels!